The Super Express Sakura 543, departing at 7:18, bound for Kagoshima Chuo, is arriving at track 12. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 8 cars. Car 1 is at the front of the train, and car 8 is at the rear. The green seats are in car 6. Cars 1, 2, and 3 are for passengers without seat reservations. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at Okayama, Fukuyama, Hiroshima, Tokuyama, Kokura, Hakata, Shin-Tosu, Kurume, and Kumamoto. After leaving Kumamoto, this train will be stopping at every station before arriving at Kagoshima Chuo Terminal. Thank you.
18分発さくら543号鹿児島中央行きは9.8両で参ります。ホーム中戻り止まります。自由席は前よりの1号車から3号車です。停車出ますと次は岡山に止まります。26番に下がってお待ちください。